Hey guys, it's your girl Asia, and today I'm back with another video, a hair tutorial. This was highly requested by y'all, so yeah, here we go. So I'll be talking about oh, this is like my head wrap, like, what do you guys call it? You know what this is. Yeah, so I'll be like showing you the products that I use and how to like get my hair to be manageable and all that. So this is like still in my older style, and now I'm gonna be doing an all new hairstyle. So the first thing that we're gonna do is I'll be damping my hair. So the reason you damp your hair is that so that it's like loosen up the product that's in my hair, because there's a lot of eco gel in it, because that's the product I use, that's the gel I use. So right now I'm just like loosening up my hair, and it's dry too. So right now what we're gonna do is comb it out. So this is like real thick because the back was left out for about 3 days. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is use my leave-in condition, which this is the Contour. The Contour version. It's a leave-in condition repair cream. It moisturizes and help make your hair manageable. So if you have really thick hair, this would be good for you. But I don't really have thick hair. My hair is really thin, like it's really thin, but I still use it because it really helps me. So yeah, all you do is just like apply this to your hair and to the ends, and just apply it right through the hair. And I'm gonna be looking here, so because my mirror is here, so yeah, if you see me looking here, I'm looking at my mirror to see what exactly am I doing. But I can look here too because I'm seeing myself perfectly clear. So now that this is in, I'm gonna put some more water in it. I'm gonna use my big tea comb, and just, you see that it ain't really thick anymore. So and now that I have this, you can still see the white stuff, right? You don't want that. You don't want the white stuff, so you can just I'm gonna use my brush and brush it out. Okay, there we go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair in 4, and because I'm about to apply this product, so yeah, it's like my hair oil. Yeah, it's called the Wild Growth Hair Oil. Yeah, so I'm about to just like put this throughout my hair and make sure it gets like my roots and the ends of my hair. So what I'm basically doing right now is applying it around my head and throughout my scalp. And right now I'm going to apply it to my ends, to my ear ends. And I don't want to use a lot because it's really oily. Like, yeah, it really is oily, so. And what I'm gonna do now is just comb it out. Make sure that and there we go. So now I'm going to undo these little buns. Yeah, so right now I'm catching it at the top. So I want it right at the top, right here. This is where I want it, right? So, yes, so you re-catch it. And you want to make sure that everything is all up, everything is good at the back. And yeah, oh, I have a little tip for y'all. So you know when you have because my hair was shorter than this and I couldn't catch my ear in one. So what I used to do is, you know the product, the Got2b glue? Yeah, so I used to put the Got2b glue at the back of my hair to make it like stay neat and cute. But the Got2b glue really worked for me, and everybody had different opinion about it because it can destroy your hair, like it can tear out your hair and all that, but it didn't do that to me. So it depends. It depends. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, because I don't think it's neat enough, so I'm gonna apply some more product to my hair and make it cute. Make sure everything is nice and smooth at the back. And just brush it up again. Okay, so yeah, so this is how I get my eye puff. So yeah, so basically, to just recap, you moisturize your hair, you damp it, and then you catch it up like how you would want it, to see like where exactly you want the high bun to be. Not eye bun, the high puff to be, and then you apply the product, you brush it up, and then if you want to do edges, that's your choice. But yeah, stay tuned for how I do. What I use is to do my edges. You can use a toothbrush or anything, but I have a edges brush, and I still use my Eco Gel to do my edges. And water again. Water is like your best friend with your hair. So what you're gonna do now is just like spray some water at the edge of it, like on your edges basically. And then, hold on, let me take my glasses off. And then you brush out your edges. it takes me like 10 minutes or less to do my edges. I am not doing my edges for a whole hour try to get it perfect. Like, no, I don't have time for that. I'm gonna call it the simple swoop. Yeah, so that's how I get my hair done. That's how I do my high puff bun. This is how I get my high puff done and my edges done. And yeah, thanks for watching. I really hope this helped you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe, and please share and support your girl. Anyways, I'm out.